Is it really possible to attract money into my life? Absolutely. And the secret lies not in hard-to-grasp concepts, but in simple daily practices that shift your energy and mindset towards wealth. Let's embark on this journey together, exploring techniques that can make a real difference in your financial life. The gratitude of arigato money. Have you ever thought about thanking your money? It might sound unusual, but it's a game changer. Ken Honda, Japan's Zen billionaire, introduced the idea of arigato money, which means thanking your money as it comes and goes. Imagine this. Every time you receive a paycheck or pay for groceries, you say a silent thank you. This simple act can shift your perspective from seeing money as a stressful necessity to a flow of abundance that you're grateful for. Visualizing financial success. Picture this. You're checking your bank account, and the balance is exactly what you've been dreaming of. This is the power of visualization, a technique championed by spiritual teacher Mahatria Ra. By visualizing your financial goals as already achieved, you create a mental blueprint. Your mind begins to work towards making this visualization a reality. So take a few minutes each day to imagine your financial success vividly. Feel the joy and relief of financial freedom as if it's happening right now, the symbol of abundance in your wallet. What if I told you that carrying a $100 bill in your wallet can change your financial outlook? It's a constant physical reminder of abundance. Every time you open your wallet and see that bill, let it affirm your belief in the abundance that surrounds you. It's not meant for spending. It's there to remind you that there's always money flowing your way. The amplifying power of crystals. Crystals like orange citrine and pyrite are more than just pretty stones. They're tools for amplifying your financial intentions. You can create a crystal grid by arranging these stones in a circle with a note of your financial goals in the center. This grid becomes a focal point for your intentions, and meditating near it can help amplify your goals into the universe. Affirmations, your daily money mantra. Affirmations are powerful statements that can rewire your thoughts about money. Start your day by saying, "Wealth constantly flows into my life," or "I am a money magnet." These affirmations are like seeds planted in your mind, gradually growing into a mindset of abundance, focusing on financial positives. It's easy to get caught up in what you can't afford or the debts you have to pay. But what if you shifted your focus to what you can manage? Celebrate the bills you're able to pay and the small financial victories. This shift in focus can attract more positive financial experiences into your life. Embracing the right mindset for attracting money. Attracting money greatly depends on how you think about it. If you feel desperate or see money as evil, or if you're envious of wealthy people, you might inadvertently repel money. This happens because you perceive money as something rare, and your life reflects that scarcity. On the other hand, if you adopt a mindset of playfulness, curiosity, and adventure, and remain optimistic whether you have money or not, you'll find that money is naturally drawn to you. This is because money, a human creation, is essentially about abundance. Abundance is a state of mind, a unique energy. When you embrace abundance, wish it for others, and rejoice in others' prosperity, you're more likely to attract it yourself. Nature is inherently abundant and always finds a way. We're part of nature, meant to thrive and grow. Unlike nature, which doesn't envy others, humans sometimes fall into negative thinking, which can manifest in our lives. Believing wholeheartedly that money is accessible and that you can reach it will open doors to opportunities for wealth. This isn't magic, but a matter of recognizing and seizing opportunities as they come. Understanding desire and detachment. It's not wrong to want to attract money. Money can enable you to help more people. However, it's important to understand the difference between desiring money and being detached from it. While desire is often accompanied by passion and excitement, detachment involves knowing money's presence but not clinging to it. Invest in personal growth, learn new skills, and use money for enjoyable experiences and helping others. Giving away a portion of your income, like 10%, without expecting anything in return can be surprisingly rewarding. This act of giving can lead to receiving more in return. The power dynamics with money. It's crucial not to let money control you. If money becomes your master, it can dominate your life. Instead, view money as a tool that you can use, not something that uses you. Money should work for you, not the other way around. Practical steps to attracting money. Start by attracting small amounts of money, like coins on the street. This practice can reinforce your belief in the abundance of money. As you grow more confident, apply these principles to bigger ventures, like your business. Setting progressively larger financial goals, from small amounts to much larger sums, is a practical approach. Recognize that money is abundant and don't limit your potential earnings. The importance of the right attitude. Your attitude towards money plays a significant role in attracting it. Avoid being greedy or selfish, as these attitudes can repel financial success. Instead, focus on generosity and gratitude. Be patient and work smart, not necessarily hard. In time, your efforts to attract money will lead to financial success.